December 10th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Break the ornament that does not belong by placing the hammer over it. All right, so we have feet, pints, cups, gallons. So let's take a look at our conversions chart. So we've got some feet. All right, so feet would be with like miles, yards, things like that we can measure length. Let's take a look. Pints, cups, gallons. Pints, here's pints, cups, gallons. Ooh, all of those can convert to each other. You can't really convert cups to feet. If you're baking, you don't need 5 feet of flour, 5 cups of flour. You don't need 5 feet of milk. You need a quart of milk or a gallon of milk. So the only one that's out of place here is going to be that feet. So we're going to go ahead and take our hammer and we're going to break it, that ornament, and we're going to put it over the first ornament, that feet. And that's it for our vocab. Great job.